is Muhammad Aiman bin Ahmad Khalil. My matrix card number is 01 DEP 25F 1024. My partner.
My name is Nivendra Nalalaki Armugam. My matric card number is 01 DEP 25F 1023.
Two situations in this role play. The first situation is the phone call where I am the manager and my partner Nivin will be the customer. And then the second situation will happen at the electrical shop where I will be playing as the salesman and Nivin will be the customer that called the manager before. Good morning, you are through to Ali's electrical shop. This is Aiman speaking. How can I help you?
I just want to make sure I have the right number. Is this Ali's Electrical on Jalan Tasik?
Yes, it is. You have reached the right place, sir.
Perfect. I'm hoping you can help me with something. I'm looking to buy a new cordless electric screwdriver, but I had a few questions before I drive over.
See, a good cordless screwdriver is a great tool. You have definitely called the right shop. We have one of the best selections in Ipoh.
That's what I heard. My main question is about the different models you carry. I've been looking at the Bosch Go series and some of the smaller Makita arms for my electronics and DIY projects. I was wondering if you could tell me what you have in stock and which one you will recommend.
Those are both excellent brands and we do carry them. Now, regarding your question, I am the shop manager and I am unfortunately in the middle of handling a large amount of work in the back office. So, I can't personally leave my desk to go and check the specifications on the shop floor for right this second.
Oh, I understand. That's a bit of a shame.
But I want to make sure you get your questions answered. I have one of our senior salesmen on the floor right now. He is our absolute expert on power tools and has tested nearly every model we sell. If you will just hold the line for one moment, I can transfer your call directly to his counter.
Oh, thank you for the offer. But if you don't mind, please don't transfer the call. I'm actually not too far from your shop right now. I think it will be much better if I could come in person. That way, I can ask your specialist my question face to face.
That is an excellent idea. It's always better to discuss the specifications in person. When you arrive, just head to the power tools department. The salesman there will be happy to assist you.
That's perfect. Thank you so much for your help. I head over now.
Wonderful. We look forward to seeing you, sir. Thank you for calling Ali's Electrical.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to our shop. How can I help you today?
Good evening. I'm hoping you can help. I'm looking to buy a new cordless electric screwdriver. I do a lot of DIY projects and some electronics repair, but my old one just isn't powerful enough anymore. I'm ready for an upgrade, so I'm looking for the best hardware.
I can definitely help you with that. To recommend the right tool for you, what kind of projects do you find yourself doing most often? Is it more heavy duty work like assembling furniture or is it more delicate electronics?
That's a good question. It's a really mix, mostly general DIY assembling cabinets, hanging shelves, but I also enjoy building PCs, so I need something precise.
When you're working on PCs, is your main concern accidentally over-tightening and damaging the small screws?
Yes, exactly. I'm always worried about damaging the motherboards or the components. That's why the precision is so important to me.
That makes perfect sense. In that case, we should focus on tools with excellent torque control. I have two models that will be perfect fit, the Bosch Go 3 and the Makita DF001 dealer.
Oh yeah, I heard of both brands. That's my main question. Which one will you say is the best? Could you tell me how they compare?
Of course, based on what you just said, let's start with the Bosch Go 3. Its main feature is an upgraded 7-setting mechanical clutch.
So 7-stage clutch, how does that help with my PC building concept?
It's designed exactly for that. It gives you very precise torque control. You can set it to a very low torque for delicate screws and it will stop automatically, preventing damage. It also goes up to 5 millimeters for your heavier DIY jobs.
That sounds like it solves both my problems. What else does it have?
It also has a push to go system. So you just press it to start and integrate an LED ring to light up your work.
That does sound very smart. So what's the main benefit of the Makita then?
The Makita's advantage is all about ergonomics and versatility. Its biggest feature is the convertible body. You can use it in a straight inline position or lock it into a pistol.
The convertible grade, I can see how that will be useful. What's the benefit of the straight position?
It's perfect for reaching into tight spaces. You mentioned assembling cabinets. Do you find yourself working in those awkward tight spaces?
Yes, definitely. I was just trying to fix a pin inside the cupboard last week, and it was a nightmare trying to get my core screwdriver in.
Then you definitely appreciate that feature. The Makita also has its own built-in LED light. So both models will solve your problem of working in the dark.
This is a tough choice. The Bosch has the advanced specs, but the Makita flexible grid would have been perfect last week. What about the charging?
That's the great question. And they are different. Both use an internal lithium-ion battery, but the Makita uses a standard micro USB port. The Bosch Go 3, however, has been upgraded to a USB-C port.
Oh, that's a modern feature. Is there a big difference in charging time?
The USB-C or the Bosch can charge faster if you have a powerful adapter. But is charging speed your main concern or is it something else?
It's not just the speed, but the convenience. I hate needing different cables for everything. All my new gadgets use USB-C, so that's a big advantage for me.
I agree, it makes life a lot simpler.
Okay, I have made my decision. Thank you for explaining that. For my PC building, the 7-stage clutch is most important feature, and the USB-C port saves the deal. I take the Bosch port.
An excellent choice. So, based on your needs for both precision and convenience, I think you have made the right decision. The Bosch Go 3 is a real powerhouse.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help. You made the inquiry very clear and helped me decide.
You are most welcome. I'm happy I could help. If you just follow me to the counter, I'll get that process for you. Just to confirm, how will you pay today? We accept cash, credit card and e-wallet.
I will be using my credit card.
This way, please.